Hey you guys, this is Tamiya Robles from FixMyCreditNow850.com. I was recently updating a client's profile, just wanted to check the status on my disputes, and then I discovered that her 30-day late reports were overturned by me, which is great. As I mentioned to you guys before, with this new FICO scoring system, FICO 10, FICO 10T, that's out as we speak, these latenesses are going to be detrimental to your credit report. They always were, but it wasn't as bad as a collection. It wasn't as bad as a charge off. But now it will be. It's going to be pretty bad. So if you look here, December 9th, her score, actually, I'm sorry, December 11th, since December 9th. So December 11th, actually, let's check, because this is not making sense. December 8th. Okay, so they're reporting that on the 8th, that her score went from 30 days late to current, and her score ultimately jumped up 48 points. We're going to go somewhere else. I think she had another account that had a late reporting. Okay, one main account has become current. If you click on it, 30 days late to current, score jumped up. So it's really, really important to get these latenesses overturned. Like I said, it's going to be much harder on your credit report, on your credit score now, more than ever. And as they add additional FICO scores over the years, it's going to be much more difficult to even fix or repair your credit. This client started off with me in December. As you can see, this is where she was, 475, December 5th, and now today she's at 554. Alright guys, if you want me to fix your credit, overturn some latenesses, what have you, just reach out, fixmycreditnow850.com, schedule your free consultation with me, or just leave me a message. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.